Creating effective visualizations is critical for business success. Let's take a look at this data visualization and give it a score based on our framework. So here's a dashboard that I found online. We can rate it based on purpose, type, color, attributes, and noise. These five categories are what you need to be aware of when you're creating your visualizations. Let's start with purpose. Within 3 seconds, I should be able to look at a dashboard and tell exactly what the purpose of that dashboard is. That should help me understand what type of information I'm looking at and what decisions that I'm supposed to make. This dashboard does have titles to the chart, but it's not immediately apparent how the information comes together or what the purpose of this dashboard is. So I would give this score a negative. There's really no purpose clearly identifiable in this dashboard. Type. This refers to chart type. We want to use the right charts for the right data and the right context. Here we've got some bar graphs and some line charts. You can see the bar graphs are for dates, indicating quantities of value. Typically, you'd use a line chart to show information over time. The bar graphs don't necessarily take away from the visualization, but they definitely don't add much to it. So I would give this a neutral score. For color, we want color to align both with the data and with our purpose. We naturally interpret certain colors, meaning certain things. And if the color doesn't have a purpose, then we likely should just remove it and opt for a monotone approach. In this case, we've got yellow, blue, green, red. It doesn't make sense. The green is going down. What does that mean? What the red is going up. What does that mean? It doesn't fully make sense, especially with yellow and blue. The color for here is definitely a negative. The color doesn't make sense on this dashboard. Pre-attentive attributes are visuals that our mind processes without us even thinking about it. Things like motion, size, shape, those type of things are pre-attentive attributes that can help our stakeholders understand our purpose quickly. Here we don't have any pre-attentive attributes. I would give it a neutral score because it doesn't take away from it, but there's definitely nothing being added to this dashboard. Noise, I would give this noise a positive, even though there are grid lines which likely could be taken out. There's not a lot of extra noise. Sometimes dashboards have a lot of extra information that really should be removed because it takes away from the overall purpose. This one doesn't have a lot of noise, so that's a positive. So there you have it. There's your dashboard scorecard.